How to create before and after slider on Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create before and after slider in Wix website. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page, okay? And then by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the design site icon. Ensure you click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the Wix website editors page. So the next thing for you to do once you're on this page is for you to just wait until it loads. All right. Once it has loaded, you'll be brought to your Wix website editors page. Like this is the home page. And then once you're here, you'll see your products and all of that. Then by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu, right? Displaying the plus icon, which is the add element. Add section, pages and menu, then add apps. All right, just click on add apps. So once you've clicked on that, you'll be taken to the Wix app market. Okay, this is where we are headed to in this tutorial. Then in the search bar, type out before. Just type out before. You don't have to type it out in full. Yes, you can see before and after slider, right? Click on it. And then once you've clicked on it, it will load, and then the before and after slider widgets would appear. Next thing for you to do is to click on add to site. Once you click on add to site, a page will be displayed asking you to agree and add. Click on it, and then after that, the before and after slider would be created and added to your Wix website automatically. Okay, but before you do this, ensure you've selected the page where you want the before and after slider to be found. All right, because the page you're on currently is where the before and after slider will be located. But if you still want to change the location, you can just long press on it and then drag it down to your desired location, as you can see. To be there, just there. And then you can also customize it the way you want by clicking on settings and all of that. And then once you're done, click on save here and to be saved automatically. So this is how you can create before and after slider on Wix website. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.